Well, as advertised, here comes the rain. The first storm of the season set to roll in late tomorrow night into Wednesday, and it could come with a freeze warning, which is keeping valley farmers on their toes. KC24's Angelica Leilani joining us live in Fresno. Angelica, the rain is a welcome sight. The freezing temperatures, not so much.
Well, the rain is actually late this season compared to others, and those I spoke with in the ag industry say that if the rain didn't come anytime soon, that the cold weather could actually impact the crops more. So they say that this upcoming storm is a godsend.
The first big rainstorm of the season is rolling in this week in time for Thanksgiving.
It's actually a late start at this point, but we're excited to get a start nevertheless and to see the couple storms coming one after another over the course of the next 10 days.
While some may worry the rain and cold temps can be harmful to valley crops, Ryan Jacobson, CEO of the Fresno County Farm Bureau, says right now the chilly temperature is actually a good thing as long as it doesn't get too cold.
Because what that does is it puts the trees and the vines into their slumber state and allows those leaves to drop, and most importantly, if you stay in those mid to lower 30s, it actually helps the citrus because it brings on the color, brings on the sugar, and helps to thicken the rind.
This is the third latest start going into the fall rainy season in Fresno. The Fresno Irrigation District says the snowpack is just as important to get us through the following year.
We're coming out of the 17th wettest year on record on the Kings River watershed, and that's where the Fresno Irrigation District receives most of its water is from the Kings River system. And so we do have some water stored in the Pine Flat Reservoir, but what we really need are large storms for the remainder of the year to make a long irrigation season next year and provide water to our cities.
And so the valley farmers are not too worried just yet, but according to the National Weather Service, they said that freeze that is issued, that freeze warning that's issued here in Fresno is starting at 2 in the morning, and it could go until 9 a.m. Reporting live in Fresno tonight, I'm Angelica Leilani, KC24 Local News that matters.
Angelica, thank you.